Okay, so let's look at this example. So we've got cosine of theta equals 0.3527. Okay, so now what do? Well, we want to find what theta is. So they're asking us find theta. So we want to know theta is equal to what measurement. So again, we have to undo to get theta out here. We have to multiply both sides by the inverse. We have to take the inverse cosine of both sides. Okay, so it's not multiplication, I misspoke. So if I'm taking the cosine of theta and that equals this, then I have to take the inverse cosine of both sides in order to undo the cosine and get theta out. Okay, so again, I'm just going to take the inverse cosine, so cosine inverse of cosine theta is equal to the inverse cosine of what? 0.3527. Okay, and so what do I get? I get theta equals, now I take, oops, hold on a second here. Cap fell out. Okay, there we go. Okay, so now theta equals the inverse cosine. So all I'm going to do is I'm going to use these up here. See, notice above sine you have inverse sine, and above the cosine key you have in blue cosine, inverse cosine, and so on. So the inverse functions are located in blue above the trig keys. Okay, so I'm going to use second cosine to get the inverse cosine. And so now I've got the inverse cosine, and so now all I have to do is put in the 0.3527 and then hit enter. And so this is the answer I get, which is approximately 6935. So 6935 degrees. Okay, and so that's the approximate measurement of the angle. Take care.